Hello friends, in this video, make sentences in English from 10 words. So let's start. First line, eat. I do not eat mangoes. Second line, go. They do not go to hospital. Third line, rise. The sun rises in the east. Fourth line, read. Mother reads the Ramayana. Fifth line, waste. Those boys never waste their time. Sixth line, take. Father never takes coffee. Seventh line, learn. I have learned my lesson. Eighth line, eat. We have eaten the mangoes. Ninth line, sleep. Father has slept now. 10th line, play. I have been playing since 2 o'clock. Thanks for watching.